This is how to import a sample into Koala using Splice. Open Splice. You want to get to the search feature and you'll have this instrument or genre thing. I'm going to go for instruments, guitar. Alright, now you're able to sort by different genres. Let's go with pop guitar. So you could add more things to narrow this down. If like, alright, I want something melodic, which probably pop's going to be melodic already. Then you can make sure that I want a loop in this case. And let's see what we get. I'm feeling very Kendrick about this. I'm not mad about that at all though. I hit the 3 dots, then add to library, and then save to files. And we are done. We found our loop. Now to get it into Koala, we need to go to the Files app. If you're in iCloud Drive, get out of that. You want to go to On My iPad, go to Splice, go to Samples, and then you want to make sure that you're sorting everything. I think there's some view options here. Yeah, you want to make sure you're sorting by date. That's the easiest way to do it, because then your newest one is going to be right here on top. And this should be our sample. Now, I could just hit open in Koala here. If you're not seeing that shortcut, hit the little sharing thing and scroll over till you find Koala here. If it's not there, then hit the more and you'll find Koala in there. And that'll drop your sample into here. As a last tip, I would suggest setting your tempo to the BPM if you're using a whole loop like this. But we'll cover that in the looping video. Know what? We're done for now. Have some fun, make some beats.